Hi, Tyler. Yes, you do have to do the Rock Cycle Interactive. The reason why it's not on today's thing is because it was assigned on Thursday, I think, Wednesday, something like that of last week. In any case, to find it, go over to your calendar. Okay, so if you're on your thing, go over to your calendar, click on it, scroll down, go to Friday's date because that's when it was technically due, even though I told you guys you could have a little bit more time. Click on your Rock Cycle Interactive and then click on that and it'll bring you to the page. So this is your worksheet that you have to do. This is the website that you're going to use to do this worksheet. When you're done, submit the Rock Cycle Interactive worksheet. Okay? And if you have any other questions, let me know. Thanks.